Cultivator. Cultivator is a primary tillage implement used to prepare soil for planting crops. It typically consists of tines that break up soil, removing weeds and loosening the ground to create a suitable seedbed. The main function of the field cultivator is to prepare a proper seedbed for the crop to be planted into to bury crop residue in the soil. Cultivator installation. To install the cultivator at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly. Implement attachment with tractor. Settings and adjustments. Field operation. Inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to attach cultivator with tractor. First, attach the left lower link of the tractor to the left side TPL mounting of the cultivator with pin. Then attach the right lower link of the tractor to the right side TPL mounting of the cultivator with pin. Attach tractor top link with cultivator TPL. Maintain the cultivator ground level from the tractor top link. Adjust the tractor right side lower link for the equal lifting of the cultivator. Adjust the cultivator swing by adjusting the chuck chain of the tractor. Ensure 30 to 45 mm swing on both sides. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.